let's just say New Orleans is full of water. I mean, driving down Louisiana, lots of water, and then some more water. And then here we go, even more water. Overpasses on overpasses and bridges and endless. But on to some more interesting actual stuff, like town. We saw some beautiful architecture, a lot of historical French influences. But let's just say this first day was foggy, super foggy. You see that haze over there? Foggy past Foggy Foggerson. Oh, and of course, you have to make it down to Cafe Du Monde, one of the best coffee shops special to New Orleans. Of course, got some beignets. And yeah, that's me making a dorky face. Of course, we gotta eat out and get our wonderful po' boys. Look out onto the misty river. And of course, revel in some Easter candy. That's me over there. And again, another visit to Cafe Du Monde, best coffee shop. Oh, look, there's me hiding behind a basketball. But really, the heart of this trip was about volunteer Sorg rebuilding a lot of the houses that were unfortunately still destroyed and have yet to be repaired since Hurricane Katrina. Saw some leprechauns. This was spring break, so things are very highly spirited. And to wrap, here's some pretty tulips that we saw, and represent Virginia Tech. So, and of course, we ended the note with more water, this time falling. And back to the highway and northbound we go. Thanks for watching, guys.